Oh my gosh! I had the craziest dream last night. You know, I'm a 6 and 7s director, so I just had this really weird dream that all my 6 and 7s turned into animals. Like, Emily and Jacqueline turned into bunnies. Noah turned into a bat. Luke and Gianna turned into a bear. Mason turned into a lion. Mason turned into a lion again. There it is. Nell turned into an eagle. Savannah, Sarah, Maya, Danny, Brody, and Luca all turned into dogs. Emmy turned into an owl. Andrew turned into a chinchilla. Kara and Phoebe actually turned into horses. Kate, Nate, and Daniel all turned into pigs. Oh, wait!
We agree.
This was a nightmare!